Welcome to Adventures and Things. I'm Michael Wright. I'm back here at Robbins Creek Road in the hopes that I don't get distracted by another tunnel. Okay, I'm here to find the waterfall that I originally came out for. The directions to the place were kind of confusing. It was just basically pull over to the side of the road and walk down this hill. Then I saw a lady on a horse and she told me just to come down and follow the creek and it'll take me down to the falls. So let's see if you can trust a lady on a horse. I'm at the top of the falls already. It was a lot easier to get here than I thought. Check this out. Turns out you can trust a lady on a horse. Who knew?
Nom 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 nom.